see just a small little edge across there. Some like light little lines right here. From coating, there was a right here. You can't see it, but there was a little dent right there. So this is a job that I'm working on, and touched it up. Of course, it's rough. There's some roughness right in this area there. But this is a lap mark right there. So I'm actually going to coat this whole hallway. Got to coat the whole hallway. There's no way you can touch this stuff up unless you stop it on a board right here. Stop it on a joint across here, but it goes across quite a few boards here. 3 boards. 1, 2, 3. And them boards are quite long, so there's nothing you can do. This is a small hallway, so I'm just going to coat the whole hallway.